Hi, hello, welcome guys. I am Arun from Ayan's Box. In this video, we will see about the Australia e-motorcycle, Pioneer Savic. Savic, Australia's first high-performance electric motorcycle manufacturer, has unveiled a new C-Series Savic. It get the prestigious design award. Homegrown electric motorbike designer and maker Savic Motorcycles has snapped the Victorian Premier Top Design Award for 2022, based in Melbourne and founded by Dennis Savic. The electric motorcycle maker has been working to bring a zero-emission and high-performance cab racer to the local market, aimed COVID-related delays and economic uncertainty. The recipient of the award, the Savic C-Series, has been designed by former Ford employee Savic and design henchman Dave Hendroff, and won not only the top award but also the product design category for its 1970s cab racer style combined with an electric drive. This is no mean feat. The 80-kilogram drivetrain had to be integrated into a lightweight aluminum frame with the classic lines of the iconic motorcycle, including a 16.7 kilowatt hour battery and a 60 kilowatt motor that delivers 200 Nm torque and acceleration to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds in its top of the range format. The C-Series is currently available to order in either a $26,990 Alpha or $19,990 Delta configuration. An Omega variant was originally on cards but is not on the maker website currently. The new Savic motorcycle configurator allows users to design their own Savic C-Series, modifying colors and various trims and optional components and upgrades. The website provides a built-in AR visual. Savic is partnering with Future Perfect Digital, a visual technology studio startup. It is an web-based 3D content and mixed reality experience to the Savic customers. Savic also released Savic Culture Streetwear brand. Their unique range of streetwear is aimed at anyone who can see the boundless possibility that e-mobility can unlock. Available in online, the first group of design form part of its summer collection. For more details, see description. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you again.